Hello everyone! So today we're gonna show you how to make a slime.
Enjoy the video!
And happy watching! Bye bye! The ingredients and tools needed to make slime are fox glue, Povinal glue, gum, food coloring, container, spoon, water, and soap. First step, prepare the glue and put it in the container we have.
Next, add enough Povinal glue and stir using a spoon.
Then, add enough water and stir again until evenly mixed.
And then, add the gum and soap and stir until the slime clumps together with a soft texture.
The slime is ready! If you want it to be more interesting, you can add food coloring or glitter.